So hi everyone, happy 2025. With the recent launches that have happened, Trump Park, Nava Grove and also Emerald of Katong, do you wonder if actually OCR prices have hit a new high? So has it? I think we can safely say with Trump Park, it has hit its new highs. Where can we find a bit more undervalued properties today? So today I want to analyze a little bit on 3-bedroom compact layout. So 3-bedroom compact layouts are good in a sense where it's perfect for upgrader. You may not have a yard or helper, but if you're a small family looking at safe investment in terms of comparing between 2 beds plus study or 3-bedroom compact, normally a 3-bedroom when it comes to investment is a bit safer. So we want to look at where the 3-bedroom prices are in the OCR region right now. So we look at Norwood Grand. On the first day, I think it was 84% sold. If you look at the compact 3-bedroom, it means your 800 plus square feet and your 900 plus square feet. The lowest per square foot, I think we're looking at 9,009 per square foot. And the highest is about 2,001. So 2,001 here. If we look at Norwood Grand, we have a compact 3-bedroom, 800 per square feet to 904 square feet. Normal 3-bedroom, you get an enclosed kitchen, maybe no yard, but you still get the living dining area and a balcony. So today we're looking at a minimum 1,009 per square foot, maximum 2,151 square foot. And this location is in Woodlands South side. So Woodlands South, it's on the Thomson East Coast line, right? It's about 2-minute walk away, but in terms of amenities, there aren't really amenities there. Transportation, yes, you get up to Woodlands for more, right? If not down to Lentor or Thomson area for more amenities. So just point of reference, Trump Park, we see the compact 3-bedroom, 900 plus square feet mostly, 900 plus. There's also, we probably won't look at this 10331. But the 900 plus square feet, you see that the PSF has gone up 2000, 2004, 2005, 2007 even, right? So for a 2-bedroom compact, you're looking at almost 2.56 million for a 900 square feet unit at Trump Park. Okay, so Lentor mentioned one of the new towns you're seeing today. Per square foot, you're looking at 2001, 2002, around there. And for a compact 3-bedroom, you are looking at about 2.2 kind of quantum. So what if today there is a development that is less than 2,000 per square foot at a $1.9 million price tag, because we're talking about the compact 3-bedroom that's reasonably sized at 926 square feet, almost brand new and fully integrated with a mall downstairs. So if we talk about future development, you see that the prices have gone up about 100% for Lakeside. So today, if you want to see kind of like 100% returns on your investment, Punggol Sengkang has also kind of proven to have this kind of gains. And enter at 300 per square foot. Today, you exit at 3 times the price. And that's across 20 years. Right? So that's why when we talk about slightly undervalued areas to look at, I think where we want to understand is how do we get that kind of returns. For instance, if you look at Lentor area, the first one that has launched was Lentor Modern at 1,009 per square foot. Today, Lentor Mansion is at 2,004 per square foot. And Lentor Central is not going to be cheap as well because the land price is slightly higher than Lentor Mansion. And because of overall OCR prices have gone up, like what I mentioned in the start of the video today, I don't see Lentor Central being cheap. At the same time, Dairy Farm also has a few plots of land that have not been sold yet. And every time we're looking at it from a land price point of view, it's always going to get more and more expensive. At the same time, we also know that there's future demand coming into the area. So for Lentor and Dairy Farm, we also see that actually there is tons of BTOs coming up, right? So for Dairy Farm, the very obvious one is Tengah and also Bukit Batok, right? Bukit Batok has room for a lot of HDB flats now that have been built. Tengah is more than 18,000, right? So you can imagine 18,000 households coming to the market at the 5-year mark, and then they'll be looking at around the area. But I realized actually around Tengah area, there are not many condos. There's only one integrated one, there are a couple of ECs around, but then if you want to hop over to something that's still quite near west, but yet still have ton of amenities, then I think the Hillview area and the Dairy Farm area is something that people will look out for. That's why, more importantly, we want to look at good 100% returns, right? We want to see what's undervalued today. It doesn't mean that if you buy new, that means it's a safe value buy. It really depends on the entry price that you're entering into, especially when the launches today have all like low floor and high floor. It's very important to be able to analyze properly and to be able to understand what the future potential is. Future potential meaning what's coming up in the area. So you got a Beauty World transformation for Dairy Farm. You got the Tengah whole town, 18,000 people, plus more people looking at Bukit Batok that are ready to upgrade. And then looking at the bigger picture, the next 10 years, what is going to happen in that town and what's going to make your prices hold and even go up like 100% in the next 20 years. So I don't think it's impossible, and I think that it's important that you find what's value today, especially in 2015. So this is Dairy Farm Residences. Here I have a 3-bedroom at 926 square feet in an integrated development. This is on a high floor overlooking the GCB areas that's away from the international school, but yet in the close proximity for you to be able to get tenants from there. You also have abundance of facilities like 2 pools, tennis court, gym, and best of all, you get a fully integrated sheltered walking pathway to the mall where you have Fair Price Finest, Coffee Bean, Luckin Coffee, a food court with amazing food options and good coffee. So on its own, it's actually very self-sustained. More than that, just 2 minutes drive away, you have Real Mall, which has more than 10 food options and cold storage fresh. In less than 5 minutes, you also reach the Beauty World transformation, where you see a new community center, integrated hub, bus interchange, and a full-fledged mall that's managed by Far East right above reserve residences. So this is a location you definitely want to check out. Whether it's for owns your investment, you'll definitely see the value in the next 10 years. You're very, very close to the nature as well. So drop me a DM if you would like to check out this unit. Here are my details. If there's any other questions that you would like to check, feel free to drop me a DM and I'll be happy to answer your questions as well.